It was a beautiful spring morning when I arrived at Rutland Water. The air felt fresh and still, with its soft golden light you only really get early in the day. Everything around me seemed calm, like the whole landscape was just beginning to wake up. As I made my way toward Normanton Church, the view slowly opened up, and then there it was, standing quietly by the water's edge, almost like it was floating. It's one of those sights that feels even more surreal in person. What makes this place even more fascinating is its history. This church has been here for centuries, with parts of it dating back to medieval times, before being redesigned in the 1800s as a private chapel for a grand estate. But in the 1970s, everything changed. When the reservoir was created, the entire valley around it was flooded to meet growing water demand across the region. Villages disappeared beneath the water, landscapes were completely transformed, and this church was actually meant to be demolished. But people didn't want to lose it. There was a public outcry, and in the end, the church was saved. Instead of being destroyed, the lower half was filled in and reinforced, leaving the top standing above the waterline. That's why today it looks like it rises straight out of the reservoir, a quiet reminder of everything that once stood here. Standing there, looking out across the water, it's hard not to imagine what used to be beneath the surface. Entire communities, fields and homes, now all hidden under this vast expanse. But at the same time, there is so much life here now. As I walked along the shoreline, I could see birds gliding low over the water and hear their calls echoing in the distance. Rutland Water has become a haven for wildlife, especially water birds, and even ospreys have returned to breed here after disappearing from England for over a century. All around the area, there are simple but beautiful things to take in. The long cycling and walking paths stretch for miles, wrapping around the reservoir. You will see people out riding, walking, or just stopping to take in the views. Some are sitting quietly with a coffee, others watching the water ripple in the breeze. And then there is the light, constantly changing. One moment the water is still and reflective, like glass, and the next it's shimmering with movement. It's the kind of place where you don't really need to do anything. Just being there is enough. For me, that morning felt like a pause from everything else, a mix of history, nature, and quiet beauty, all in one place. And honestly, places like this don't come along very often.